Video addresses the starter rope chafing that occurs on all Honda EU2000 generators. The chafing occurs about 4 inches down from the pull handle, and it's caused by the vibration of the rope as it enters the starter housing inside the Honda EU2000 generator. First thing I recommend is to take a pair of vice grips, clamp off the starter rope so that you can work on it. Tools needed here are a pair of scissors, some type of nylon thread, and a stick, and 5 or 10 or 15 minute epoxy. I also cut the tag out of the back of a raincoat, which is a piece of nylon that we'll use to cover the chafing with. I cut the nylon tag that I had cut off of my raincoat to size, long enough to get it to wrap around the rope at least one time, and started a knot with the nylon thread. Next, we'll wrap the nylon thread around the piece of nylon here, and I might note you don't want to make that nylon too thick, or it won't go through the external starter housing on your generator. So you want this as tight to the rope as you can possibly get it, and you wrap the thread around there until you get to the end of the nylon patch. At this point, you can tie whatever knot you want. I'm not a very good knot tire. I recommend you take a lighter and kind of burn off the end of the nylon stubs after the knot. Next, we'll pump out a little puddle of epoxy to mix together. Mix it up here, and we'll apply it to the our repair. I want to warn you again, you don't want to apply too much epoxy here or make the repair too thick, or it will not return into the outer housing of your generator. You wanted this repair as thin as you can get it. At this point, we'll just wait for the epoxy to dry. I've repaired numerous Honda generators with this repair, and it's lasted for years. I might add, if your chafing is too bad, you can cut the starter rope and move your handle down. There's plenty of rope on the reel, and watch for the chafing to start occurring so you know where it's at, and repair using this video.